Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm joined by the fabulous Ruth Walsh from Westhaven Interior Design.
Hi James.
I'll have her Instagram and everything linked below. Go give her a follow. Serving inspiration, interior inspiration goals over there. Like really. I wonder where we are today. We're in the beautiful Connemara. In this beautiful
secret location.
Yes.
Secret location. If you tell anyone where it is, I'll kill you.
It's very secret. But today we're going to be telling you guys about some common interior design mistakes that people make and how you can avoid them. So without further ado, let's just get right into this. So we're going to start off with the first one, which would be hanging your curtains too low. This is a very common mistake that a lot of houses have. And you know, the reason why it's a mistake is because when you hang your curtains high, it makes the room look taller, so it kind of draws your eye up. Instead of it, when it's like closer to the window, it kind of shrinks the space, which you know isn't a good look. It looks smaller, and you're limiting your space, and it kind of gives you more grand appearance, you know, makes the ceilings look taller. It's all vertical lines that bring your eye up. That's why it's a mistake. And if there's a big space between your curtain rod and the top of it, you can put in like art up there or a mirror or something. You can get like really creative and have a bit of fun with it.
Furniture.
Oh,
people make mistakes with furniture, not measuring the furniture or not measuring the room to allow for the furniture, the size of the furniture. I've made this mistake myself because I've fallen in love with the sofa and I just wanted it. So, and it's probably too big, but you know, it is what it is.
Yeah.
But you can be really unlucky as well. You just need to measure your space before you go and buy your furniture. It's a really clever idea.
At least if you measure, if you see a table, dining table is on sale, you can like knowingly buy it without thinking, oh, is it too big, is it too small? Because if sale items, normally you can't return them. So if you have your space measured and you see a really good deal, you know, it's easier.
Absolutely. Artwork,
yes. Okay.
Don't hang it too high.
It just looks wrong. Like it looks like it's floating away.
Keep it below or as near to the top of the door frame as possible.
Yes.
That's what I do in my own house, and it works. Everything is at eye level and you can, you know, enjoy it. Yeah,
and if it's hanging above a couch or, you know, a table or something, make sure it's closer to the couch than to the ceiling, because I remember when we were hanging up one in our sitting room, Mum hung it awful high and it just looked like it was floating away. It just doesn't look visually or aesthetically correct, you know?
Yeah.
So that's another big mistake. Rugs. Placing your rugs. You want to make sure your rug is the right size, because otherwise it just makes the space look weird and unfinished and not right. It doesn't look right.
I think the trick really when you're buying rugs or furniture is to measure the room properly first.
Which is another mistake in itself.
And measure your furniture. Bring it home, even draw it out, you know, you can do that, so it's always worth doing that. Yeah,
and it's easy just to open up like Photoshop or something and do a quick sketch out of the rug and then the furniture placement. Yeah, it's a very good idea to measure your space if you're getting a rug, because you don't want the rug to be too big and you don't want it to be too small.
Yeah.
A good rule of thumb is kind of at least halfway underneath each piece of furniture you have, and if it's a couch and like accent chairs, or if it's like one big couch, you know, that's a good rule of thumb. You don't have to be too small or too big, because it just either the rug looks lost or the furniture looks lost in it.
Yeah, exactly.
You know? Placing your furniture, not pushing up against the wall, especially if you have space to bring it out.
Absolutely, that you can walk around it and place a coffee table here or a lamp there.
And have different
that if
kind
it's
of
up against the wall, then you're, I don't know, it's
everything looks like, you know, pushed out. Yeah. Some spaces you need to kind of push up against the wall.
Yeah, well, in apartment living and stuff like that, but in homes usually you'll be able.
It's nice to have different pathways and stuff, especially if it's like a nice, there's a better flow. And it looks more interesting to the eye as well, because there's like a bit more depth and, you know, it's just a bit more interesting. So if you can, don't place it, push it up against the wall, because, you know, it just looks a bit, you know, you know, there's all open space, and you know, it's good as all open space, but I mean, if there's 50 feet between you and the TV, you know, that can't be right, you know, so,
no, you need binoculars.
Yes. Or a very big TV.
I think that's it.
Yeah,
Have we covered everything?
Yeah.
If you've any questions,
if you'd like for us to run through some more interior design mistakes, you know, if you have any more questions, if you don't know if a certain thing is right, you know, let us know down in the comments, and we'll answer it in the next month's video. But anyway, guys, that's it from us.
See you next time.
I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys. Well, we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.